welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Valentine's Day DIY decor video for you. All of these supplies I got from the Dollar Tree and they're super easy to make. So if you want to see how I created all of this, then just keep on watching. So to start, we are going to begin with this wreath, and I'm going to be using this heart from the Dollar Tree, twine and flowers that I had lying around. And you just want to remove everything, leaving the heart bare. And guys, be careful when you're removing the stuff from the heart because it can break easily. I broke mine here, but it was a quick fix. I was able to take some hot glue and glue it right back. Okay, now once you've gotten everything off, now we can grab some pliers and start cutting off these little tabs so that way we can have a clean frame. And next you're going to take some twine and you're going to wrap it around the frame. Once you're done wrapping the twine, you're going to grab the glue so that way it stays in place. And then here I'm just grabbing some flowers that I had on hand, making sure that you're cutting in the back of the stem so that way it makes it easy to glue it on to the frame. And that's it for this DIY. So now we're going to jump into the next one. So all you're going to need is a wood heart frame, the roses that they sell at the Dollar Tree, and the galvanized wording of your liking. And here I'm just grabbing my ruler and creating the lines that I need in order to separate the colors that I'm going to be painting on. And the paint that I'm going to be using is from Walmart, and if you see black here, it's because I'm going to be mixing it up with the white to create a very light gray color. Before I apply the paint, I'm going to go ahead and wet the wood so that way the paint goes on smoother. I'm going to start off with some white paint, and I end up giving it 2 coats. Next, I mix the white and black paint to create this gray color. Once the paint has dried, you're gonna glue on these foam flowers that they brought new this year at the Dollar Tree. And here I'm just grabbing my glue gun and gluing on some leaves that I had from another flower. Okay, once you're done with your flowers, and now we are ready to glue on the galvanized wording, and I'm going to be using the word love, and here I'm just taking the hot glue gun to glue it on to my sign. And that's it for this DIY. Now we're jumping into the next one. We're going to make these heart stands. And these are all of the supplies that you're going to need in order to make these heart stands. To start off, I ended up taking my hot glue and gluing a piece of the glitter foam onto it. Once that's done, you'll set it off to the side, and now we can begin assembling the heart. So you're just gonna take the felt and some hot glue, and then we're gonna take the wooden dowel and you're gonna center it right in the middle, and then we're gonna take the other felt heart and then glue it right on top. Now if you want, you can take some stuffing, and if you really wanted it to be more puffed out, that's another thing that you can do. I ended up just leaving it flat. Next, I glued the wooden dowel to the other piece of wood, and you're gonna want to be patient with it. You want to make sure that you wait for the glue to actually set. And then I'm just taking this ribbon and creating a bow just to add a little detail to the heart, and that is pretty much it. And for our last DIY, we're going to be creating this really pretty garland. And I have done this in the past, so I will list a card up here. And all you're going to need for this is some twine, hot glue, and the flowers of your choice. So we're gonna start by popping off the flowers from their stems, and you're more than welcome to use the leaves. I just decided to leave it as is, and here I'm just creating a loop so that way it's easy for me to hang. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. And we also have a TikTok account. And until next time, guys, bye. Mwah!